good vibe, I guess. Yeah, good heart, love, and music. Right. I love it. I always have a good time. This is like one of my best like East African places that I like to hang out to. Yeah. I'm gonna meet love.
Like, who do you want to meet first?
Whoever. I don't just choose left and right. Whoever want to meet me, I'm gonna be around. Because in this industry, it's all about networking. So I don't consider myself as old artist, but I'm not young anymore. So yeah, I always like to meet some like OGs, like this guy that you guys have in here. You know what I mean? Like, yeah. So we're still around, and you know, we love what we do, and we're here to hang out and to connect and to network and to make this place, Africa, a small place, not just a gigantic place, but in music, we have to make it as one country, or as it is at one continent, we have to make it literally in music as well.
Would you like to do any collaboration with an artist?
And that's what I'm here for. To be honest, I can't tell you, because you want to put me in a place where I'm going to judge left and right. I'm not that kind of guy. Anybody's welcome. Stop it. One word. Good music. That's all I can tell you. Yeah. A wife and a lot of kids. Easy with me. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mohammed Hussein, the managing director of Middle East Restaurant. I would like to welcome our brother, superstar, DJ Nicolas Peks, Uganda, the part of Africa. We are glad to host him at Middle East Restaurant, the latest branch at Voices Mall. He sings sure that Uganda will continue to play a role in hosting celebrities and superstars. That role it's playing is because of the peace we have in Uganda. And as my brother has mentioned before, we need to see East Africa as one country.